Hello everyone! Today we are doing a tour inside the house, so I can show you some of the issues we are dealing with. We will start with the utility room. Even here in the hallway we can already see damp patch on the walls and some mold forming. There are also cracks, which are probably the most visible problem in the entire house. When we step into the utility room, with a bit more light, we can see everything more clearly. Lots of mold and cracks on the walls. Even on tiles. There is also a pipe that goes straight outside, with no ceiling, so animals can easily get in. Now we move into the breakfast nook. Here we still have humidity and stench on the walls. That window doesn't open. It's broken, so we will need to find a temporary solution. All of these walls are marked by mold, moisture and probably smoke from the fireplace as well. Our idea would be to remove this wall and create an open space with the kitchen. But first we really need to study whether that's even possible. We have to understand the direction of the beams and whether the wall is structural or not. From what we can see on the ceiling, it looks like we might not be able to remove it. The beam seems to run along the wall and the ceiling has a lot of cracks, so this is something that needs professional evaluation. To save money, we are thinking about doing a bare minimum in the kitchen and maybe keeping these cabinets. There is a dishwasher here, but we don't know if it works or even if Mrs. Mary is going to leave it. The stove runs on gas and the oven looks electric. If they stay, we will have to test them and probably replace them anyway. The sink also needs to be replaced. Overall, the cabinets seem to be in decent condition, but under the sink, the wood is badly damaged, so we will need to fix that. Everything down here is really dirty. Actually, most drawers are, so a deep clean is definitely needed. For hot water, there is only this small water heater. We don't know if it works and it may need replacing. John would prefer to switch everything to electric systems, but right now that would be far too expensive for us. The bathrooms will need to be renovated. We will need to remove the furniture, take out the tub and replace all the sanitary features. I'm not sure yet whether we will keep this cabinet. I still need to check its condition properly. In this bathroom we can see the cracks even more clearly. There are cracks everywhere. And this bathroom is even leaking into the bedroom next door and down to the lower floor. We want to replace bathtubs with shower cabins. It's cheaper and much better for accessibility. And the cracks continue to the rest of the house, walls, ceilings, corners. I don't mind fixing the cracks in the walls, but I don't feel comfortable working on the ceilings. So that is something we will need professional help with. Some cracks look they were already repaired in the past and reopened again, which worries us a bit, especially together with old moisture coming from outside. In the center of the house, there are also a few spots with salt stains, which is odd and will have to be treated. Maybe the worst room is this bedroom. Lots of cracks, the leak from the bathroom, more cracks everywhere, and the window is broken. I sealed it temporarily with tape. And speaking of windows, we will have to replace all of them. That's likely going to be our biggest expense. We already asked for some quotes, but because the tops are curved, the price goes way up. We will ask for some more quotes before deciding. The windows are just wood with very thin glass, so the cold must come in easily. There is something strange. When I tap the sides, they sound solid, but at the top they sound hollow. I wonder if there is space for a roller shutter box up there. When we replace the windows, we will probably have to replace some of the stone frames too, because most of them are cracked. We might try to keep the shutters because they look nice and give privacy, but they will also need restoration. Today I started cleaning the windows a bit. They were full of debris. Well, while I finish cleaning the windows, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can follow along with the next chapters of our journey. Thanks for being here and see you in the next video.